Hi everyone, Robin here from Gardening with Mama Bird. Today I want to start getting things potted up and decorated to decorate my front porch for the holidays. So I wanted to take you along with me. I bought a few Alberta spruce and they all are different sizes for the yard. And I thought, oh, I'll pot them up and I'll use them for my porch decoration, put some Christmas tree lights on them and have them on the porch for about a month, and then I'll get to plant them in the yard. This one, it doesn't have the tag on it. I'll have to find it and put it in the video. But this one right here is a small, it's spelled Jean's Dilly, but it's actually pronounced John's Dilly Alberta spruce. And it only gets about a foot wide and 3 foot high. So I'm excited to have this because it's small. It's hard to find evergreens small for your yard when you live in a residential neighborhood. Usually most evergreens are too big for our landscape. So let's plant them up and then I'll add some lights to them and they'll be part of my porch decor. Because it's so snug, I want to make sure that the soil actually slips down in that little crevice. I'm going to start with just a little bit of soil on the bottom to see how much space I have left in here. I'm going to break away some of the root ball a little bit. And what I plan on doing is I'm going to water them in and let them set overnight before I decorate the porch with them. That way they get enough moisture. There's 2 of them. Aren't they cute? I have the last Alberta spruce, which is a big one. I actually purchased this during the summer at Home Depot, and because it wasn't marked correctly, the guy sold it to me for $20. So I up potted it for the summer and have been babying it and have plans to put it in the landscape. But for now, it's going to go in here. It's going to be part of my Christmas decor. And this here, I couldn't find any matching black pots, so I got one that was a terracotta color, and I sprayed it with a satin finish paint from Home Depot. So hopefully this is dry enough. I'm a little impatient and we need to get going. There we go. Let's add a little soil. I don't want to forget what I'm doing here. Actually, I think I need to break up some of the root ball so it'll fit in the pot. Roll it around a little bit here. All right, let's see. This will work. Ah, got it. Looks like it's in. Done. Now for the lights. I bought a battery-packed set of lights for the trees. It has an on and off switch, but it also set on a timer. And when I place them on the tree, I like to turn them on so I can see where they're going to go. And I think since this tree is going to go into a corner somewhat, because I only have so many light strands like this, I may just light the section that's going to be actually exposed. I can't forget my concrete snowman. The wreath is from Costco, and I added some bells that I'd had for years. And then I added some twinkle lights, which I zip tied to the wreath. I wet some green moss to cover the soil. Your porch is the first thing your guests see before entering your home, so with so many holiday decorations to choose from, pick the things that bring you joy to dress up your porch. What are some of your favorite things to decorate with for the holidays? Let me know in the comments. Once I finished with the porch decor, I decided to pull out some clear lights and add it to the landscape. These lights are a netted style, which are easy to add to my dwarf Alberta spruce, and they were a generous gift from the neighbor next door. Thank you, neighbor. The sun is beginning to set, so I'm excited to see how all the lights sparkle in the night. Thank you for joining me as I decorated my front porch for Christmas and added a few lights to the landscape. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Thanks for watching.